watching my video and supporting me. Today I'm going to show you how to make sweet pachadi. This is a sweet curry. This is my 4th Onam special video. If you like this video, please click on like button. If you're seeing my video first time, please do subscribe. Come with me to kitchen. Pineapple, banana, grapes, curd, water, sugar, turmeric, chilli powder, crushed mustard, cumin seed, chilli and coconut, curry leaves, mustard and dry chilli. Heat a pan and put pineapple. Add water, add chilli powder and turmeric. Cook for some time. Now it is half cooked. At this stage, add banana. Now add sugar. Add salt. Let it cook. We will make the coconut mix. Take a jar and put coconut. Put chilli. Put cumin seed. Pour water. Blend it well. Blend it like this. This is cooked. Now we'll add coconut mix. Add some water. Mix well. Add crushed mustard. Now the coconut mix is cooked, I'll add curd. Off the flame. Put grapes. Now take another pan and pour some coconut oil. Add mustard. Add chilli and curry leaves. Pour this into the curry. Sweet pachadi is ready. My sweet pachadi is ready. Please try this very tasty and sweet curry. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share with family and friends. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.